Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to scan for viruses on Windows 10 guys without any extra software. You actually don't need extra software guys. Actually the Windows Defender, okay, I'm going to show you. Just right click on the start button and then click on settings, okay? And then what we're going to click on is updated security. And before we actually get in more into this, I want to talk about Windows Defender. Actually, it is okay, here you want to click on Windows Security, right? Click on this option right here. Now, I want to talk about this. This is called Windows Defender. It is inbuilt with Microsoft Windows 10. It also comes with your Windows 11. Now, what is this? Basically, it was there also in Windows 8 and Windows 7, but like, it is so powerful now. You don't even need those, antivirus softwares. Usually, those antivirus softwares, especially the free ones, guys, they actually come with their own malware and stuff. So you don't want to, or you want to avoid getting those free antivirus software. Windows Defender is more advanced and more than perfectly uh, compatible and competitive enough to compete with the best paid antivirus software, guys. Windows Defender is actually really, really advanced, so you don't really need those paid antivirus software. So how do you actually use this, right? For example, here, you just want to click on virus and threats protection. So once you're at Windows security, you're going to click on virus and threat protection. Click on this. And then what we need to do, guys, and we can see here, I have current threats. I have no current threats. The last time I scanned, my PC scan was yesterday. It scanned it automatically. So for now, I have set it to scan automatically. I have no threats going on. So you can do a quick scan right here and decide, look, it's going to be scanning for any viruses, and it's telling me it's going to take about 15 minutes. So basically, it's going to be doing its thing in the background. It's going to be scanning. So it's literally that easy and simple. You can just scan for viruses like this. It is literally free and inbuilt in your Windows, guys. So if this video helps, guys, make sure you hit that like button. Comment down below if you still have any questions or issues. And until next time, guys, look at this. 3 files already scanned. And until next time, guys, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you get notified of the next video. 4 file scan, 5 file scan, guys. Look at this. It has protected my PC. So far, I've never had an